In this video, we're going to cover how to wire a doorbell with an Akuvox indoor monitor. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this example, we will be using the Akuvox C313 indoor monitor and a doorbell. Please refer to the official wiring guide. First, insert 11-pin terminals into the indoor monitor. Connect the GND and doorbell cables into the indoor monitor. Tug on the wires to ensure a secure connection. Now, power on the devices. Push the doorbell and you'll see an alert indicating the doorbell has been triggered. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.